girl, you are so pretty, 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 pretty. Baby girl, you are so pretty.
Hey, would you like a beverage? Would you like some fruit? Not in my budget. On to the next one. What's up, guys? It's your girl, Kia Janae, or Pretty V Vlogs, here with another video. Thanks for tuning into my channel. And as always, if you like what you see, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. I'm out and about today. Today is Tuesday, March the 19th. And I'm about to run into Ross real quick. I think I want to see if they have like some sort of a tray that I can use to put on my ottoman in my living room. I want to kind of jazz it up a little bit. So I'm going to run in here and see if they have anything that, you know, catches my eye. But other than that, I'm not really looking for anything specific. But I figured I'd take you guys along so we can come and see what they have. Hopefully we can find something good. But if not, y'all gonna come along anyway. right, y'all. So just left the Ross and that was a complete bust. They had a few things in there, but nothing that I would want. So I think what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna head over to the TJ Maxx, see if they have anything, and yeah, that'll probably be it for right now. So let's head on over there. All right, y'all. So I just came out of TJ Maxx and that was worse than Ross. They had absolutely nothing. I found no tray. I didn't find anything that I liked. But I did record some stuff, so you'll see that, or either you've seen that in this video. But I think I may head over to hubby's with me, by the way. But like I said, you know, he's over there. But he wants to run into Best Buy, so I may walk around a little bit and show a little, you know, something up in there. But we actually need to go look for a refrigerator and maybe some TVs. We might look at a TV. He wants to get a new TV for the living room. He wanted 85-inch, y'all. I don't know why the hell a TV has to be that big. I say stick with what we have, which I think was a 60, was it a 65? 65-inch? But he want a big boy. I don't know. I ain't all into the electronics like that and all of that. So Best Buy is one of his stores, but I'ma still show y'all what we see as we walk through. And yeah, but hopefully this don't take too long because I am getting hungry and I do want some Little Caesars. Yeah, their stuffed crust pizza be so good. Oh my God, it's so good. I know I sound fat right now, but it's so good. It's the what is it, the salted, it's a salted crust or something, right? Cheese filled salted, whatever it is, that thing be, it's like that. But yeah, we about to head over to Best Buy, so I'm gonna get with y'all when we get over in this store. Now this right here, this is cute, y'all. It's white, but I still like this. Oh my goodness, I love this. This is so pretty. Oh my God, and it has the soft clothes. That is nice. Look, 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 look. Oh my goodness. And look at the screen. And it's only $3,000. And it will be staying here. $3,100. That will be staying here too. Now that's not bad. That's more my speed. It can come down a couple hundred more, but she doable. Now this is pretty. Never thought about black stainless steel before. Not bad, not bad. That one here. Looks spacious. Okay. That's not bad at all. But it won't match the rest of my appliances. But they do have it in stainless steel. And I like that it doesn't have the normal type of pulls like that. I do like this feature. You grab the inside. Ice maker. Yeah, this is cute. She's a possibility, a strong possibility. This one is, I guess, different. But you pull from the bottom here. Okay, it looks like it's a 4-door, but it's just 2, and you open it from here. Freezer looks pretty spacious. Refrigerator, okay. Got your 2 drawers down here. All right. Your shelves. Okay. Nice amount of door space. Got your ice maker. And that's not bad at all. I'm thinking I'm liking this type better. The kind that you pull from like the slots that doesn't have the basic handles. I'm really liking those better, I think. But in the end, this is going to be up to hubby. He's more of the appliance, electronic person. I just tell him what I think is pretty, and normally he goes off of what I feel, but because you know he want to try to make me happy, but I normally get my way with just about everything, so we're going to see what he decides on. And look at this. This is another white one. I don't think this was the one that was in the front when we came in. I think the one that was in the front had the 3 or the 4 doors, but this is a 2-door. Now, she's not as spacious as the last one I looked at, but the price is not bad on her. And it has that sleek, shiny, I don't know what you call this. What you call this, y'all? Who knows what you call this? Well, what is it? What is it? What does it do? It say? I don't know. I can't find it. We're gonna call her Pearl. I don't know. Anyway, yeah, but she cute. She in the price range. The refrigerator side is spacious. It's the freezer side that looks a little small to me. Let's look at that again. Yeah, that's kinda, I guess this is all your ice here. And you really, I guess, basically only have the top shelf and this shelf down there. And then you have the 2 drawers. Your door look like it's missing a shelf here. Yeah. Oh, and then she has this, the beverage center. I guess you can get your filtered water there. That's cute. I like that. And for $13, $14, I don't know, y'all. What y'all think? Y'all think the white or like stainless steel? All the rest of the appliances in the house are stainless steel. So what y'all think it would look funny to like mix the white with the stainless steel? I don't know. But let's look at some of these on this side. That's spacious. You got your refrigerator up top and then your freezer down below. Yeah, this is nice too. Okay. I like the 2 layer. Okay. Oh, decisions. I just don't know. Yeah, the more I look at them, I think I like the freezer down below. I don't think I really want anything with these handles anymore. I think I'm more so now into this style. And I think the reason why I like it so much is what I was just telling hubby. It's because when you look at it, if you're not paying attention to me, especially actually more so the ones that look like they're the 4-door, I just think it looks like cabinets. If you're not paying attention and you just happen to walk past, you kind of have to take a second look, because to me it looks like it could be cabinets, but it's actually your refrigerator. I'm feeling that. I'm really feeling that. And this one has the drawers with I'm not a fan of this wood stuff, but I mean, she cute. So with this one, you got your refrigerator up top. I guess this is your freezer down here. Well, wait, I don't know. I'm confused. Which is which? I don't know. But this is a KitchenAid. And she too is out of the price range. We won't be doing that. She's so beautiful, but not for this price. Look at that. I love it. The see-through doors, or the doors that have the touch screen. This is the mirror instant view. She's so pretty. Hey y'all, what's up? Yeah, this is nice. But my money too funny, so yeah, no. All right, y'all, I'm looking for hubby. I think he went back to the front. He wanted to check on the open box or ask some questions about the open box TV. So yeah, I see him. Hold on, y'all. Here's another one that I like, y'all. This has the handles, which I said I'm not crazy about, but she real pretty on the inside, and she got the 4 doors, and then you got your first pull out, and then your very bottom with the double drawer shelf. But what caught my eye, look at the back. I like how she light up when you open it. This is cute. And she has the auto fill. Oh, with the spout. That's nice. Okay. She real pretty. But again, not in my budget. On to the next one. OMG, y'all, look at this one. She is so pretty. Hubby said this is the one like you can customize the color of the glass and stuff. But oh my gosh, she is so cute. And this again reminds me of cabinets. But look at the inside. She is just so like, OMG. I need this in my life. This is my refrigerator, y'all. Oh my God, I didn't see this part. Look, y'all. It's like, hold up, wait a minute, I ain't doing right. How do I get this open? It's about to make a lie out of me. But it was like a door. Hold on, let me figure it out. Okay, y'all, so I figured it out. It's a little button right here. It is like a door inside a door. Do you see this? Oh my gosh. And then to open this part to get to the refrigerator. Oh my gosh, I love it. Y'all, how I'd be if I had this refrigerator? I have company over and I'd be like, hey, would you like a beverage? Would you like some fruit? We got juice. What would you like? It's all here. It's all here. We get real bougie, y'all. Real bougie. But for that price, I think she gonna have to stay here. All right, y'all. So leaving the Best Buy, we got a clearer understanding of what we may want to get. So we're gonna go home, do a little bit more research, and we're gonna make a decision on a refrigerator by tomorrow. So yeah, we're about to go ahead and get the pizza, and I will hit you guys back later. What's up, guys? Yes, I'm jumping back on here from my bed. I almost once again forgot to end this vlog. I got home, cleaned up a little bit, got my stuff together for tomorrow, and ate some more pizza. And yeah, but I wanted to jump back on here because I didn't want to make this vlog any longer than what it's already been. It's probably just under an hour long. I don't think it's over an hour long. But yeah, I'm about to go to bed, get myself ready for tomorrow. And I will see you guys in the next video. Don't forget, hit that subscribe button, like, comment, and share. I'll see you guys next time. Bye. Good night, actually. Yeah. Good night.